Artoonza.
Smash that like button right now. Yes, right now, before this pot boils over and takes your phone with it. All right, future kitchen artists and color commanders. Today we're doing something so wildly delicious, your stomach might actually start growling at your sketchbook. We're drawing a gas stove with a cooking pot and a frying pan sitting right on top of its gorgeous roaring flames. But wait, can I eat it? Absolutely not. Please don't try. We sketched this beauty in bold black marker, giving it that crispy chef's kiss outline your art teacher never taught you. And here's where things get sizzling.
So cute.
We're about to splash this masterpiece with the most jaw-dropping, eye-popping colors you've ever seen on a stove that can't actually cook anything. Red, yellow, orange, purple, and a final drizzle of pink glossy polish that'll make your drawing shine brighter than your future culinary career. Stay with us, because the coloring magic is about to begin. And trust me, you don't want to miss the grand finale. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Give us a big thumbs up. And now, the kitchen comes alive. We're dropping rich, fiery red all over this stove like it just won a cooking championship. Red isn't just a color. It's the smell of tomato sauce bubbling, the sound of a sizzling pan, and the feeling of Mom, dinner's ready, all rolled into one gorgeous, dramatic shade. Squeeze that dropper, load up that brush, and paint like you're the world's most passionate chef who also happens to be an amazing artist.
So cute.
Oh, hello, sunshine. Yellow is basically happiness in a bottle, and we're pouring every drop of it onto this masterpiece. It's the color of scrambled eggs in the morning, butter melting in a hot pan, and that one friend who's always annoyingly cheerful before 8 a.m. Drop it, brush it, love it. Because right now, our stove is glowing like it just got its own cooking show and a 5-star review. Smash that like button now. Orange is here, and it means business. This is the color of real flames, spicy sunsets, and that one hot sauce that makes your eyes water, but you keep eating anyway. Drop it on, brush it wild, because our stove just leveled up to full volcanic mode. Wait, purple on a cooking pot? Absolutely yes, and 0 apologies. Purple is mysterious, royal, and completely unbothered by your cooking disasters. It's the color of a chef who does things differently and still gets a Michelin star. Drop it, own it, because this cooking pot just got fancy.
So cute.
And now, the grand finale. We're sealing this whole delicious masterpiece with pink glossy polish because every great chef deserves a little sparkle. Then comes the pink fluorescent highlighter, making our stove shine so bright it might actually blind your refrigerator. Step back, admire your work, and know that you just created the most gorgeous, glittery, jaw-dropping stove in art history. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.